Hey Gadgetverse crew, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your workspace with a crystal clear, color-accurate display that means business, the Dell UltraSharp might just be the monitor you've been waiting for. Let's kick it off with the display. You get a stunning 27-inch 4K UHD resolution 3840 x 2160 with ultra-thin bezels, delivering razor-sharp image quality, perfect for photo editing, video production, graphic design, and even serious productivity tasks. This panel uses IPS Black technology, which gives you deeper contrast and richer blacks than traditional IPS, all without sacrificing color accuracy or viewing angles. With a 100% sRGB and 98% DCI-P3 color gamut, this monitor is factory calibrated out of the box, ensuring pro-level color precision. Whether you're editing color-critical content or streaming ultra-high-definition video, you're getting accurate tones and exceptional detail across the board. One of the best things about the U2723QE is its connectivity suite. It features Thunderbolt-style USB-C with DisplayPort and 90W power delivery, meaning you can connect and charge your laptop with a single cable. Plus, you get an integrated USB hub with multiple downstream USB-A and USB-C ports, turning this monitor into a productivity dock. The stand is fully ergonomic, with height adjustment, tilt, swivel, and pivot capabilities, a must-have for long hours of work. Build quality is classic Dell UltraSharp, premium, minimalist, and durable. With ComfortView Plus technology, the screen actively reduces blue light emissions without compromising color accuracy, making it easier on your eyes over long working sessions. Whether you're a content creator, coder, stock trader, or remote worker looking for a professional-grade display, the Dell UltraSharp U2723QE delivers performance, functionality, and stunning visuals in a sleek package. Hit the link below to check it out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews only on Gadgetverse.